So once you've synced your tracks, you'll get something that has a lot of audio tracks. And what I really recommend, I see a lot of people try to leave everything in, thinking they really need to, but you don't have to do that. You want to make things as minimal as possible. You can see here, we have audio from the ceremony. This is the recorded right next to the violins. So that would obviously be the best audio for people arriving. And then this mic right here is for the speakers. And this would be and then once we move into here, we have the officiant who's mic'd himself. And then, right here, then we get into the bride and the groom and the groom's mic. So I've chosen the mics that are the closest to the audio source. And it's really simple. You want to really cut that down. If you need to get something back, like you don't have the audio, and it's like, hey, I need, there's like a glitch or something, don't worry if you deleted it. That's why I think people try to keep 15 tracks of audio, and it gets really difficult. You end up, something gets out of sync, and you just get into a lot of problems, or you leave it all in, and then, one thing's on, and you get a lot of ambient noise, and it's not good. So you just go like this. I'd press F, and I can, if I just drag right here, drag the audio down, I can just get it all back, and boom. Now I can work with the original audio if I needed to for some reason. So don't feel like if I delete it, it's gone. It's not gone. As long as your video is there, it's good. So that would be my big recommendation. And obviously, as you're working on it, once you first synced up that track, you can go to something like this, and you can see here's my original, synced, the original sync stuff here. So what I do is I leave this before I go into my next one. I duplicate it. So if I've ever had to get my original stuff, I have it right there, and I can just go into it and I can start working on it. But my actual working track, as you can see, doesn't have as much because it's much more manageable. It's going to sound better.